Welcome! In this video, we will take a look at electronic service tool Perkins Est 2022A, which is a diagnostic software for Perkins engines and generators designed to run on a personal computer, PC with Microsoft Windows. This software communicates with electronic control modules, ECMs, through a communication data link, allowing for the diagnosis of existing and potential problems, product configuration and data retrieval for analysis. Let's start. First, let's click on the Help window so we can review some general information about the software. Next, we will click on the Utilities window to find detailed information about the license. Now we'll click on Preferences and select the Modify window. And we'll discover some of the features that this section offers us. Let's click on the engine we want to review in simulator mode. That's it for today's video. I hope our software presentation will be useful for you. Thanks for watching.